Ma'am, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for senior high school who have successfully completed and passed the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. And I am requesting for your confirmation.
By the power vested in me by the Department of Education as Administrator of St. Oliver's School, and upon the recommendation of your advisor, Mrs. Grace Silveta, that you have completed and passed the requirements of the basic education curriculum prescribed for the senior high school by the Department of Education for school year 2023-2024, I now declare you St. Oliver's School senior high school graduates of 2024. Kindly move your classes to that.
Thank you, ma'am. And now I call upon the graduates of senior high school year 2023-2024, and may I also request the parents to accompany the graduates on stage. Burang Jan Kaiser Dandani. With honor, Jan Kaiser B. Burang. He also received the following award: gold medal for winning first place in poster making contest, silver medal for winning second place in the slogan making contest, bronze medal for winning third place in poem writing contest, and another silver medal for winning third place in essay writing contest. Kaiser will also receive an award for outstanding performance in social science.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the completers of 2024, do hereby pledge our loyalty to our beloved alma mater, St. Oliver School. We promise to uphold her ideals, teachings, and traditions, and to make ourselves worthy members of her family. So help us God.
Honors to deliver his words in gratitude. The speakers are now the welcome.
Good day, everyone.
Ayos natin ng mga...
I am grateful for the opportunity to speak to you on this occasion. To our school administrator, Mrs. Florinda F. Medea, to our beloved parents, faculty and staff, good afternoon.
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide whenever you need me. I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. Been waiting for you all my life. You are my dream come true.
Happy graduation ulit!
Dark and sad world of mine, I'd be lost if not for you. And I love you more and more and more.
Meron tayo yung picture ready. Let's po muna. Ito po ang grade 10. Ang grade 12. Okay. Grade 6 pupil with your advisor po. Sa harap po ng stage for the class picture.
ayan guys, so tapos na ang graduation ceremony ni Kai. Again, happy graduation. So ayan, papunta kami yan guys sa ano. Tatry namin yung yung viral na Diwata Paris Overload.
Wow.
Ayan, kasi medyo out of budget si Mami Chody.
Tapos pupunta rin kami kay Boss Toyo.
Para may para isang yung yung mga medalya ni Kai, ang tampak sa leeg niya.
May presyo mo na Kai, mag-isip ka na ng presyo, magkano ha?
Ayan, so time check 3:40. So parang sabi sa mga vlog, ang bukas ng Parisan niya hapon na. So, mag-ano muna kami ngayon, palipas oras, habang pa ang traffic. Nasa rush hour.
Sana may regalo si Diwata. Isang kiss kay Kaiser.
Sana nga.
Isang kiss lang kay Kaiser, ayos na.
Gusto mo din dun, Kai?
Oo. Makita si Diwata sa personal.
And guys, so, andito muna kami ngayon sa Gigan Tapsihan. Traffic pa kasi baka kay Diwata. Traffic pa, kaya dito muna kami. Dito muna. Tatago muna kami. Okay guys, andito na kami sa bahay. Ayan. Ito na yung ating mga kasabuat. Ready na ang lahat. Andun pa si Kai sa labas, sa sasakyan. Ayan. So, nag-recharge lang ako saglit para may reserva. Ayan, ready na yung decoration. Hindi yan live. Ayan. So, sa decoration ay care of Ate Swe. Ayan. And Mamay Pilar and kids. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito yung maghahanda. Diwata. Diwata. Ayan. Ano masasabi mo?
Sige po, surprise po ako doon. Akala ko talaga sa Diwata Paris eh. Akala ko sana kay Diwata. Ngayon. Ayun, na-surprise po ako. Maraming salamat po sa surprise.
Ibang bisita wala pa.
Wala pa. Okay lang.
Sige po sa handa. Hindi ko na-expect ito.
Ayan, sabi ka. Asan na yung mga medal mo? Baka andun na kay Boss Toyo. Yung gift.
Kala ko sir,
Congratulations, Kuya Kai. Okay. Ayan, so sige, ano yung mga awards mo?
Slogan making contest.
Sana all.
Ito po is third place in essay writing contest.
Wow.
Lugit tayo. Tapos third place in poem writing contest.
Wow.
And ito with honors po. Muntik na nga maging with high kasi
Ilang ano na lang?
95 na sa yung average, which is 94 pa. Sayang.
Okay lang yan, at least.
Then, award for outstanding performance in social science.
Napapasana yung dalawa, oh. Papasana yung dalawang pinsan.
Mag-aaral lang po ng mabuti din, makinig po sa mga sinasabi po ng teachers para makakuha po ng mataas na grades. Then, magsumikap lang po lagi. Yun.
Okay.
Congratulations!